Talk about spoiled. Literally just finished making that video. And look what just turned up. I'm going to try and cover my address. Does it say FedEx? Yes, it does say FedEx. And what did I get from FedEx? Oh, let's have a fucking look. This is a legit first impressions unboxing. What is it? What does that say? Yes, it does. I wonder if any of you can guess what it is. Literally, my dog is barking. Okay, so that's just the receipt and shipping. And comes with a little sticker. And little MCMs all over the paperwork. Oh, Jesus, I'm too excited. The dog's barking. It's annoying me. Levi, what did Mommy get? What did Mommy get? Let's put the box down so we can show everyone. You just saw it, didn't you? Yeah, I got suckered in. Ooh, little strap. Little pouches. Little dust bag. That is a very nice, good quality dust bag, I must say. Little, the little card. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm freaking excited. If these don't fit me, I'm going to cry. Holy effing fucking shit, you're not going to believe. Oh, I love them. I got to get them. I fucking love them. Yes! Okay. What did I get? Fuck yeah, I did. Look at them. Let's look at the one with the little... Oh yeah, you can totally wear this with this strap as a wristlet. I've actually got a little Prada wristlet. I fucking use it all the time. It is awesome. Oh my God. Yes, I got the Crocs. These are my first pair of Crocs, by the way. I've never ever owned a pair of Crocs. I actually swore I would never ever buy Crocs. But then I saw Lindsay Lohan, you know, I'm of her generation. And I'm like, yes, please. I've been influenced by influencers. Oh my God. They are cool. These are hefty. These are cool. Check them out. They're going to fit, I think. I mean, if not, you can just always, you know, shove that on the thing. Okay, so we've got the little M there, MCM there. Little sparkle, little MCM there. Got the logo on the back there. Crocs written there. These are nice. To be quite honest, I wanted the black ones. I thought the black ones with the brown would go good, which would go fucking great with that new Boston bag, by the way. But they were sold out, like, straight away in my size. Like, I couldn't get them. And to be quite honest, I actually brought these from the Crocs, no, the MCM Australian website, which was cheaper than getting it on Farfetch, believe it or not. Could not believe it was $200 cheaper than Farfetch. So, not sure what that's about. But, hello. I love you. I do. I love you. I do. Can't let dogs get that. I love you. I do. You know what? I'll put my key in that. Maybe it'll fit. Maybe it won't. I don't give a fucking shit. I love them. Hello. Yes. Okay. That's all. Had to show it. We have to see them on, right? Dog's confused. Don't you touch? What has Mummy got on, Levi? Hey? Oh, yeah. Excuse me, you're in Mummy's shop. Oh, yeah. Look at them. I love you, baby. Ba, 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 ba. I love you, baby. Ba, 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 ba. All right. That's enough of that.